Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am talking about Dinah Jenny. Dinah Jenny is an American singer. She is an ex-member of the girl group Fifth Harmony. Jenny signed as a solo artist with LA Reid's Hitco Entertainment in October 2017. She featured in Redon's single Boom Boom with Daddy Yankee and French Montana. Biography. Real name Dinah Jenny Malika Elisani Hansen. Nicknames DJ, D-Mac, Blue Dinah, Sissy. Profession singer. Years active 2011 to present. Genre R&B, pop, dance. Instruments vocals. Label Psycho Music, Epic Records. Nationality American. Sunshine, Cancer. Personal life about Dinah Jenny. Dinah Jenny was born on June 22, 1997 in Santa Ana, California, United States. She is currently 22 years old. Ethnicity. She has Tongan, Samoan, Fijian and Danish ancestry. Education. She attended Orange County School of the Arts and graduated in 2015. Religion. Christian. Family about Dinah Jenny. Dinah Jenny father name is Gordon Hansen. Dinah Jenny mother name is Malika Hansen. Relationship. She has many boyfriends. The name of her boyfriends are Nila Otupolo 2013 to 2015, Jared Heine 2015. Physical statistics about Dinah Jenny. Her height is 5 feet 8 inches tall and her weight is 69 kg. Her eye color is dark brown and her hair color is dark brown. Her body measurement is bust 36 inches, 27 inches waist and hip 36 inches. Professional statistics about Dinah Jenny. She is famous for being a part of the American girl group Fifth Harmony. The other members of the band are Ellie Brooke, Normani Hamilton, and Lauren Jorigoli. Camila Celebo was also a band member but left the band in December 2016. Her debut solo single Bottle Up featuring Tilly Dolla $ign and Mark E. Bessie was released on September 21, 2018, followed by her debut extended play Dinah Jenny 1 in early 2019. Film debut. Hansen didn't appear any of the films. Television debut. In 2012, Dinah participated in the singing reality competition The X Factor USA. Brand endorsement. Her brand Fifth Harmony was the face of Giovanni Fashions from 2014 line. Other endorsement deals include Wet Seal, J Corp Apparel, Accessory Innovations, Accessories, Brown Trout, Posters, Sky High, Back to School Supplies, Barbie Doll and Clean and Clear, a subsidiary of Johnson & Johnson. Net worth of Dinah Jenny. Dinah Jenny has an estimated net worth of $5 million as of 2019. Favorite TV series: The Vampire Diaries 2009. Favorite song: Kiss Me by Ed Sheeran. Some lesser known about Dinah Jenny. She is the youngest member of Fifth Harmony girl group. Her musical influences are Bionix, Leon Lewis, Mariah Carey and Etta James. Regarding her voice and style, Dinah is compared to singers like Bionic, Knowles and Alicia Keys. On March 26, 2019, Jenny released her song Retrograde as a promotional single. Jennie released a song titled Hear It All Before, followed by a music video as the EP's lead single on April 19, 2019. House and Cars of Dinah Jennie. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am talking about Nick Jonas. Nick Jonas is an American singer, actor and songwriter. Jonas began acting in theater at the age of 7 and released his debut single in 2002, which caught the attention of Columbia Records, where Jonas formed a band with his older brothers Joe and Kevin, known as the Jonas Brothers. The group released their debut studio album It's About Time through the Columbia label in 2006. Biography. Real name: Nicholas Jerry Jonas. Nicknames: Nick, Nick J, Mr. President, NJ. Profession: singer, songwriter, producer, actor. Genre: teen pop, pop rock. Instruments: vocals, banjo, bass, cello, drums, glockenspiel, guitar, acoustic, semi-acoustic, electric, keyboards, percussion, piano. Labels: Columbia, Hollywood, Jonas. Years active: 2000 to present. Nationality: American. Sunshine, Virgo. Personal life about Nick Jonas. Nick Jonas was born on September 16, 1992 in Dallas, Texas, United States. He is currently 26 years old. Ethnicity: Nick has Italian ancestry from great-grandfather's side and is of English, German, Irish, Cherokee, French, Canadian, and Scottish descent. Religion: Christianity. Education: Nick was homeschooled by his mother like the older brothers Nick and Joe. Physical statistics about Nick Jonas. His height is 5 feet 9 inches tall and his weight is 68 kg. His eye color is dark brown and his hair color is dark brown. Her body measurement is chest 40 inches, 32 inches waist and biceps 14 inches. Personal life about Nick Jonas. He is famous for being a member of the pop rock band Jonas Brothers, which he formed with his older brothers Joe and Kevin. The band was active from 2005 to 2013. He is also known for his debut single Who I Am, which he released in January 2010 with the band Nick Jonas and the Administration. Debut album. Before the formation of Jonas Brothers band in 2005, he already released his debut album titled Nicholas Jonas in September 2005. His older brothers are also featured on some of the songs. Film debut. Nick appeared in 2008 in a 3D concert film Hannah Montana and Miley Cyrus Best of Both Worlds concert as himself with Demi Lovato and the older brothers. Television debut. Nick guest appeared in American television series Hannah Montana as himself in 2007 in the second season of episode 16 titled Me and Mr. Jonas and Mr. Jonas and Mr. Jonas. Brand endorsement. He endorsed the brand Baby Bottle Pop, Burger King, Breakfast Rex, G.I. Joe logos before they were famous, upcoming with brothers Nick and Joe Jonas. Family about Nick Jonas. Nick Jonas' father name is Paul Kevin Jonas Esau. Nick Jonas' mother name is Denise Jonas. He has many siblings and relatives. The name of his siblings or relatives are Joe Jonas, older brother, Frankie Jonas, younger brother, Kevin Jonas, older brother, Danielle Jonas, sister-in-law. Relationship. He is married. He has many girlfriends. The name of his girlfriends' spouse are Millie Tyrus, 2006 to 2007, Melissy Joe, 2008, Selena Gomez, 2008 to 2010, Jordan Pruitt, 2009, Courtney Delino, 2009, Samantha Burks, 2010 to 2011, Gigi Hadid, 2012 to 2013, Olivia Culpo, 2013 to 2015, Kendall Jenner, 2015, Kate Hudson, 2015, Priyanka Chopra, 2017 to present. Net worth of Nick Jonas. Nick Jonas' net worth has accumulated to approximately $25 million. Favorite actor: Matt Long, Carrie Lynn Pratt. Favorite car: Cladding. Favorite sport: baseball. Favorite movie: Finding Neverland, Juno 2007. Favorite childhood book: Magic Tree House. Favorite food: sushi stick. Favorite song: Superstition by Stevie Wonder. Favorite musicians: Elvis Costello, Fall Out Boy, Johnny Cash, Switchfoot, Stevie Wonder. Some lesser known about Nick Jonas. He starred in a commercial when he was just 7 years old. The album became a huge hit and entered top 5 of Billboard 200 in the United States. In May 2008, he and his brothers starred in their own TV show Jonas Brothers Living the Dream. Jonas released his second studio album Nick Jonas 2014 through Island Records on November 10. Jonas also starred in the drama film God 2016 alongside James Franco, released on September 23. House and Cars of Nick Jonas. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am talking about Lindsey Vonn. Lindsey Vonn is an American World Cup alpine sky racer on the US Sky Team. She has won 4 World Cup overall championships, one of only 2 female skiers to do so, along with Annemarie Moser-Pröll with 3 consecutive titles in 2008, 2009 and 2010, plus another in 2012. Vonn won the gold medal in downhill at the 2010 Winter Olympics, the first on for an American woman. She has the second highest super ranking of all skiers, men or women. Biography. Real name: Lindsay Caroline Kildow. Nicknames: Linds, Dawn, Kildon. Profession: World Cup Alpine Sky Racer. Nationality: American. Sunshine: Libra. Personal life about Lindsey Vonn. Lindsey Vonn was born on October 18, 1984 in Saint Paul, Minnesota, United States. She is currently 34 years old. Ethnicity: white. Religion: Christian. Education: Lindsey Vonn got her education from University of Missouri High School by enrolling in the online program from the Center of Distance Department of the university. Family about Lindsey Vonn. Lindsey Vonn's father name is Alan Lee Kildow. Lindsey Vonn's mother name is Linda Annie Cron. She has many siblings. The name of her siblings are Karen Kildow, older sister, Laura Kildow, younger sister, Reed Kildow, younger brother, Dylan Kildow, younger brother. Relationship: she is married. She has many boyfriends. The name of her boyfriends or spouse are Thomas Vonn, 2007 to 2013, Tiger Woods, 2012 to 2015, Alexander Lidwig, 2016, J.J. Watt, 2016, Kenan Smith, 2016, P.K. Subban, 2017 to present. Physical statistics about Lindsey Vonn. Her height is 5 feet 10 inches tall and her weight is 64 kg. Her eye color is hazel and her hair color is blondie. Her body measurement is bust 35 inches, 26 inches waist and hip 36 inches. In 2010, the Maxim magazine placed Lindsey on the 59th position in the list of 100 hottest women across the world. Professional statistics about Lindsey Vonn. She is famous for being one of the best female skiers in the skiing history. Sky event debut. Lindsey Vonn made her World Cup debut for US national team in Park City on November 18, 2000. Film debut. Lindsey hasn't appeared in any theatrical film till date, just TV movies and documentaries. Television debut. Vonn made her TV show debut in 2007 as a guest in the talk show The Clubhouse. Brand endorsement. Lindsey Vonn has done promotional campaigns for the sportswear giant Under Armour, chocolate brand Reese's, Vail Towns Tourism. Lindsey has done modeling work for Oakley's range of skiing goggles. She has also done promotional work for the following brands: T. German, Alka, Seltzer Plus, Rolex, America's Milk Processor, Kohl's and Better Vision Network LASIK Surgery. Net worth of Lindsey Vonn. Lindsey Vonn has a total net worth of $80 million as of 2019. She's favorite actor is Will Smith. Favorite TV series Law and Order 1999 to 2010. Her favorite Halloween candy Reese's Peanut Butter Cup. Favorite tennis player Roger Federer. Some lesser known about Lindsey Vonn. She started skiing at the age of 2. In 2008, Lindsey Vonn won the overall World Cup title. She became the second American woman to do so, following Tamara McNee in 1983. After Anne-Marie Moser-Prohl, she is the second female skier to have won 4 World Cup championships. In 2016, she became the first skier, male or female, to win 20 World Cup Crystal Globes titles. In February 1, 2019, Vonn announced that she would retire after the 2019 World Championships taking place in Sweden. House and Cars of Lindsey Vonn. I hope you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell button for more updates. Thanks for watching this video.